like you have to open this one and just turn that off, and you got this one open. This is my first time using a Motul engine flush. See how it's gonna perform. Let's check, does that increase any performance or not. Oh, it's just transparent engine flush. This is like transparent look. Emptied the whole bottle inside the engine. Let me tighten this up, and I wanna start the engine. Keep it from now like that. Okay, we got now. Turn on the ignition, and boom, let's fire. Hope not it doesn't stall like morning.